Hi guys, in this video we will see how to install iOS 18 update on your iPhone. As you know, iOS 18 update is available for users, and to do so, first unlock your iPhone and here make sure that a strong network is available, either data network, either Wi-Fi. To install iOS update, you must have a perfect network on your iPhone. Tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on general settings. Tap on it and here you will find the option software update. Tap on it and as you see, checking for updates is running. iOS 17.7 is up to date, and also you will find at the bottom of the page also available upgrade to iOS 18. Tap on it. iOS 18 brings new ways to customize the iPhone experience. So customize your iPhone further by arranging your home screen, your lock screen, and control center in all new ways. Tap on update now, unlock your iPhone, and finally a terms and condition page will appear. Here tap on agree and let the your iPhone iOS 18 will update it. That's